Samsung is quietly dropping hints that the One UI 8.5 beta is almost ready to launch, and the latest clue comes from a place no one expected, the PENUP app. A new update for this app includes a line in the changelog saying that One UI 8.5 has been applied. This might sound small, but for anyone following Samsung's software rollout, it's a big sign that the beta release is very close. The update began appearing on December 3, and what makes this even more interesting is that Samsung has not yet officially announced the beta program. Even so, the timing matches perfectly with a recent rumor that pointed to December 8 as the possible start date for the One UI 8.5 beta. While Samsung hasn't confirmed that date, the PMP update strongly suggests that work on the new software is already complete enough for selected apps to be optimized. Normally, Samsung updates its apps ahead of major One UI releases. This ensures everything runs smoothly when the new version rolls out. But this situation is a little different. The reason we even know the PMP app has been updated for One UI 8.5 is because testers using a leaked beta build spotted it. The update doesn't show up on devices running older versions of One UI. That means the version is real, it's active, and Samsung is getting ready for the public beta. What makes this even more significant is that this appears to be the first time an app's changelog directly mentions One UI 8.5 by name. Some other Samsung apps have already been optimized silently, but PENUP is the first to call out the version clearly. This direct mention is usually one of the final steps before a major beta rollout. The One UI 8.5 beta is expected to launch in phases around the world. The first phase will likely include the Galaxy S25 series, which makes sense because Samsung always brings its newest software to its newest flagship devices first. The beta's first wave is expected to roll out in the United States, the United Kingdom, South Korea, and Germany. These countries usually get priority because they have strong testing communities, and Samsung has well-established beta programs there. After the initial phase, the beta should expand to India and Poland. This second phase often follows a few weeks later, depending on feedback and the stability of the first release. If things go smoothly, users in these regions won't have to wait long. Once the beta becomes available, users will be able to sign up through the Samsung Members app. That's the standard process Samsung uses every year. Inside the app, a banner usually appears on the home screen inviting users to join the beta. After registering, they can download the update over the air just like any regular software update. The arrival of One UI 8.5 is exciting because it represents another major step forward for Samsung's software experience. While Samsung hasn't revealed the full list of new features, each 5 update normally includes visual refinements, performance upgrades, smarter AI features, and improved stability. Since One UI 8.0 already introduced several AI-powered tools and system improvements, One UI 8.5 is expected to polish those features further and add more intelligent functions to Samsung's flagship devices. The fact that PENUP was updated for One UI 8.0 only 3 months ago also shows how quickly Samsung is moving. This fast turnaround suggests the company wants One UI 8.5 ready ahead of the Galaxy S25 launch window. Samsung does this often. It prepares apps early, tests them through beta builds, and rolls out the final OS version alongside a new phone series. The latest PENUP changelog is a small note with a big message. Samsung is preparing the final pieces, the beta is nearly ready, and the rollout could happen at any moment. With leaks, app updates, and internal testing all lining up, One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be one of the fastest moving beta programs Samsung has ever done. As soon as the banner appears in Samsung Members, users can jump in and try out the new version themselves. Until then, these quiet updates give us a pretty clear sign the next chapter of One UI is almost here.